guys, today we will teach you how to make an animated 3D logo. 3D logo usually contains realistic lighting and reflections, which makes a huge difference than flat logo designs. Flat designs are easy, but three-dimensional logo design are much more harder to master. Creating a 3D logo for your brand to improve the attractiveness of an icon to attract customers is a good idea. It creates a positive impact on the brand. At the same time, it replaces all traditional and conventional business logos similar to other brands. So, without further ado, let's jump into our Premiere timeline. First, you will choose PNG logo, and I'll choose this. After that, we will be needing a color matte element, and I'll choose the color black. Let's drag them both to our timeline. We will search the basic 3D effect on our effect panel and we will drag it to our PNG logo. We will go now to our effects control, and here are the effects option of basic 3D. The swivel, the tilt, and the distance to image. First, we will focus on the swivel. We will now create a keyframe to create an animation to the logo. Select a point where the animation should stop and adjust it according to your liking. And here is the result. As you can see, it is not that smooth. Make sure that your time base in sequence settings is set in 60 FPS. To make it smooth, we will be needing to right-click the last keyframe and select Ease Out, and the other keyframe select Ease In. Here is the more seamless result. And now, we will be adding directional blur and we will drag it to our PNG logo. Adjust the direction to 90 degrees. Toggle the keyframe of the blur length. And set it to 15 where the animation keyframe stops to match the movement. And here is the result. We will now animate the logo using position, scale, and the basic 3D effect. First, let us toggle a keyframe where the animation should stop, then we will create a movement at the beginning of the logo. And this will create revealing effect that goes well to 3D effect, and we will adjust it like this. And here is the result. And now, we will add the basic 3D effect. Just like what we did in the motion effect, we will also toggle the keyframe where the animation should stop. We will now combine the swivel and the tilt effect and set the movement at the beginning of the logo. Adjust it according to your liking. And there you have the 3D revealing effect. To make it smooth, right-click the first keyframe and select Ease In. And for the last keyframe, select Ease Out. It is needed to be applied for the both swivel and tilt effect. After that, we will add directional blur again and we will match its movement. Just adjust it according to your preference and match the keyframe of the basic 3D effect. Next, we will now combine our spinning and reveal 3D effect to our PNG logo. After the revealing effect, we will add the spinning effect at the end of the clip. Just like what we did lately, we will adjust the swivel effect to make a spin, add directional blur again, now, we already know the basic learning on how we can animate our 3D logos. Before I end this video, I will leave a quote from Edward Di Bono saying, "There is no doubt that creativity is the most important human resource at all. Without creativity, there would be no progress, and we would be forever repeating the same patterns." That's all for today. We hope that you've got a lot of learnings from us.